Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fill out a Western Union money order for U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, purchase a Western Union money order for the exact USCIS filing fee amount required for your application. Make sure you check the official USCIS fee before filling out the money order. Next, look for the Pay to or Pay to the Order of section on the money order. In this section, write U.S. Department of Homeland Security exactly as shown. Do not use abbreviations like DHS or USCIS because USCIS may reject the payment if the name is not written correctly. After that, fill out your information in the purchaser or from section. Write your full legal name and your current address clearly using black or blue ink. Then, go to the memo or payment section if your money order includes one. Here, you can write information related to your USCIS application, such as your form number, A number, case number, or another reference number if needed. Next, sign the front of the money order in the purchaser signature section. Do not sign the back because that area is reserved for the recipient. Before mailing your USCIS package, detach and keep the receipt portion of the money order for tracking and proof of payment. Finally, place the completed money order inside your USCIS application package and mail it to the correct USCIS address listed for your form. That's it. That is how you can fill out a Western Union money order for USCIS. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.